Hello, young explorers. Welcome to our colorful classroom where we'll embark on a delightful journey to learn about some amazing feathered friends. Today, we're diving into the world of birds. Our first feathered star is the majestic eagle, soaring high in the sky with its powerful wings. Next, we have the chatty parrot, with its vibrant plumage and the ability to mimic our voices. Now, let's venture into the lush rainforest to meet the toucan, with its large, colorful beak and playful nature. Then, hop over to the Arctic, where the adorable penguin waddles and slides on the ice. Did you know the hummingbird can hover in midair while sipping nectar from flowers? And the owl, a wise night hunter, can turn its head almost all the way around. Let's play a game. Can you guess which bird builds the largest nests? It's the weaver bird. And what about the fastest runner among birds? It's the ostrich. Ready to spread your wings and flap along? Birds come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, each with their own unique features and stories. So, young learners, grab your binoculars and let's explore the wonderful world of birds together. Join us for more exciting adventures as we uncover the mysteries of the animal kingdom. Until next time, happy bird watching. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep soaring, little adventurers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. Bye for now.